Today's episode will include PayneThrowers advance to state, special story with Snocross champion, Mr. Thompson talks about chess club, Mr. Pentz computer class learns how to use the Spheros, elementary light show, this week's sports review, and secondary school announcements. Thanks for tuning in to BNC-TV, your best source for Bulldog news.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Ellery Jacoby.
And I'm Jacob Bertram. This is episode 10 of this school year.
Mr. Pentz's computer class was able to work with the new Spheros in the library center. They had to build obstacles for them to go through. Here are some of the students to talk about the projects.
Hey, I'm Megan, and we are doing Spheros in our computer lit class. And this here's our little project, I guess. And so you can pretty much drive it through the little maze. Wow, that's lame. Come on. And then ours has a little ramp that it'll drive through. And then you can also program it to go through and do the little maze. I've programmed it before to go through ours, so I could do that, but I'm kind of lazy right now. And then the white dot represents our hole.
So how do you control it?
We can control it by using the little joystick. We can control its speed. We can control at which the angle it goes. The 16 represents what level it's on. And then we can also change the color of the Sphero using the little color palette. And then the light on the Sphero will now be the color that I had it to be. And then we can also do a little rocket here. We click on it and then it'll go crazy.
Congratulations to the PayneThrowers for winning the Judges Award at the League Robotics competition on December 12th and qualifying for the State Robotics Tournament. Ellery had the chance to have a special interview with Snocross champion Racer Frank about how his Snocross season is going so far.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I
Hi, I'm Ellery Jacoby, and I'm here with Racer Frank, pro snowmobile racer for Snocross.
My dad made it up to Pro Light, and then after I was born, I started when I was 4 and then kept going.
Do you have any new signing deals or sponsors?
Yes, I got signed with Trailer Motorsports, Speedworks, and Fly, and they're hoping I do really good this year.
Do you have any injuries that you've had to overcome to keep racing?
Yeah, this year I got landed on in Duluth, separated my shoulder, and then in the preseason I landed wrong and just broke my wrist.
When's your next race?
January 4th and 5th at Canterbury, and then we head up to New York.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Mr. Thompson and his Chaps club are meeting every Tuesday and Thursday. Here is Ellery with them now.
Here we are at the frozen December 20th game. Whoever wins this trophy. You could do it, Hunter. Come on, Connor. Move quick. Oh. Heck it out, chess club.
On Friday, December 21st, elementary students were treated to a special light show to put on by their teachers. Here are some of the highlights.
now for this week's sports review and secondary school announcements.
Boys basketball had a tough game against Piers on Thursday, January 3rd. They played Kimball at home on Thursday, January 10th. The next game is on Tuesday, January 15th at home versus Eden Valley Watkins, starting at 7:15. Girls basketball had a rough game against Eden Valley Watkins on Tuesday, January 8th. The girls play at Maple Lake on Friday, January 11th. The Wrestlers had a meet on Thursday, January 3rd at home. They won 46-30 against Royalton Upsala. Their next meet is on Friday, January 11th at home versus Spectrum, Grand Rapids, Sauk Center Melrose, Holyford, and Sartell State Stephen. If you can't make it to any of the home basketball games or wrestling meets, you can tune in to our live stream at www.youtube.com/Paynesville Studios. Pre-game show starts around 7 p.m. Good luck to all the Bulldogs.
Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.
Go Bulldogs and stay cool, Paynesville.
Yeah, it's a lot better than that. Oh, nice grab, guys. Blaming the bun.